Hi, I'm Dr. Snehal Porwal, co-founder Healing Hands Clinic, and in this video, I'll be walking you through the first couple of hours that follow a hernia surgery. At Healing Hands, we usually do a 3D mesh repair. This can be done either laparoscopically or through a small incision in the abdomen. Irrespective of which approach is used, the immediate post-operative period is more or less similar. Let's have a look at what to expect. Anesthesia typically takes about 2 to 3 hours to wear off. This can be sooner or later depending upon the type of anesthesia you've been given. No food or water is allowed for the first 4 hours if you've had an open surgery. If you've had a laparoscopic or keyhole surgery, this period of fasting would be extended to 6 hours. Once the stipulated 4 or 6 hours are over, you can start having a few sips of water. If you tolerate those well, an hour later you can have the diet that you've been advised. We usually recommend a full diet from the day of surgery. As anesthesia wears off, you may find it a little difficult to pass urine for the first time. This does return to normal. However, if you feel it's taking too long, or if you have pain or discomfort in the lower abdomen, please call the nurse or doctor on duty. In such cases, we drain the urine using a small, thin, flexible tube called Foley's catheter. Kindly call for the nurse or ask an accompanying person to assist you for the first time that you try to get out of the bed and walk. This includes your trip to the bathroom. It's important to do this because some people tend to get a little dizzy post-anesthesia, and having someone close by will prevent a fall.